Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Acura TLX? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Explorer. Engine compartment fuse box type A. The engine compartment fuse box houses essential fuses that protect various electrical components from overloads and short circuits. It is securely covered and contains clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and maintenance. Engine compartment fuse box type B. Driver side interior fuse box. The driver's side interior fuse box protects interior systems like power windows, locks, seats, lighting, and infotainment by interrupting power during electrical faults. Each fuse is labeled for easy identification. The fuse box helps maintain the proper operation of these features by preventing damage from electrical overloads. Rear fuse box. It protects and distributes power to essential rear-end electrical components. It ensures safe operation of systems like the fuel pump, rear defroster, power seats, and advanced features such as AWD and active suspension by preventing overloads or electrical faults. Trunk room fuse box. It houses fuses that control rear electrical systems, such as the fuel pump, rear defroster, power seats, battery management system.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.